Nessa Sunshine here, and today I'm going to get into this eye look right here using the new Child times Colourpop palette. So if you're a fan, then you're just going to love this automatically. If you love Baby Yoda, the child, you're going to love this palette. I'm going to wipe this off and show you this faux cut crease just on one eye and how I get it with this palette, and I'll also show you some swatches as well. So if you want to see how I got this look with this palette, well, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. The first shade I'm going to get into is Just Like a Tatooine, and I'll be using the BH Pro 18 blending brush. So I've swirled my brush all the way in that shade, and I just have a concealer, and I am applying it right on top of a concealer. So what I'm doing is blending in swiper motions back and forth with the tip of the fluffy brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and move under the eye. I'm also going to take the NARS times BH number 8. I've dipped this also into the same shade, and I'm pressing everything underneath just for extra intensity. At this point, I would usually say it's time to do it to the other side, but it's time to get into the next shadow. The second shade I'll be getting into is Float Your Crib, and I'll be using the NARS times BH number 6 blending brush. I take this into Float Your Crib. I'm taking the tip. I started with the tip of this blending brush above the crease in the center of my eyelid, and then I started moving in swiper motions out. And then I twisted it around a little, and I continue to move in swiper motions out, and then I swipe forward a little bit in the inner part of the eye. What I did to get even more precise is pinch the brush so it's flat in between my fingers, dip it a little bit into Float Your Crib. You can really focus the shade exactly where you want it. I'm going to end up creating a wing that is connecting to this. So yes, that's it. Now it is Shimmer Shimmer time. And for Shimmer Shimmer time, I'm going to be using Precious Cargo. And I'll be using my handy dandy ring finger. I'm just tapping this in the center of my lid, and then I'm going to bring it in a little bit. Take my pinky to blend out even further. And I'm going to use light touches. And then I'm going to use even lighter touches as I get to the outer corner, and very gently add a little bit to the outer corner. I don't want too much. I really want the focus to be right in the center. Now it's time for liner. I'm going to use the Eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm connecting my liner with the cut of the crease, and then I'm going to take it from the outer center and then create thickness and attach it to the top of the wing. And then I'm going to start to add thickness and attach it to the bottom. Then it gets less thick as it goes in toward the center of the eye. I'm going to use the Thrive Cosmetics Crystal Brown Black Mascara on the bottom and the Bryn Rich Black Mascara on the top. The brown I like to put on the bottom because it just has a nice, I don't know, it's a little bit lighter, it's a little softer. And then I like to use black, of course, on the top, especially when I'm going to be applying false lashes, because I want it to blend in to my false lashes. I'm going to go ahead and pop on the Miami Flare from Lilly Lashes. And voila, lashes are on. That's it. So let's go ahead and get into the swatches on my arm. From your perspective, from left to right, the shades are in the order of the palette as well. Precious Cargo, Right Hand Mando, Just Like a Tatooine, Sipping Soup, Baby Face, The Force, Little Frog, Float Your Crib, and Droid Protocol. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and let you know what lip I have on today. So I'm wearing the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Risque. On top of that, I'm wearing the Superstay Matte Ink from Maybelline in the shade Pioneer. And that completes this look. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how I did just the one eye with the Child palette and getting to see the swatches as well. So good luck to you if you are trying to get the Child palette. This is definitely a collector's item if you are into Star Wars or into the Mandalorian, or if you just think Baby Yoda is the cutest. So cute. I feel like the colors in this palette are pretty wearable. They're very neutral, green, and yeah, so they're really great for brown eyes. If you like green shadows, if you like earthy tones, then this palette might be right up your alley, and it's so cute. So, so cute. Again, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye! Bye now.